This is just a 2-minute clip to show you the use of pitch switch for my wildlife soundtrack edits. This is One Eye, mother of 3 fox kids born on the 8th of March 2013. She has an ulcerated cornea on her left eye but seems in perfectly good health. See her pull a worm out of the lawn, which is their frequent diet. People just don't leave Kentucky Fried Chickens out in the evening here. This is a rural community and these are not urban foxes. This is all filmed in the pitch dark with an infrared video camera. Shortly on the scene appears one of her kits, and they're now 16 weeks old and past weaning, but he or she seems determined to feed from the mother's teat and just won't let go. The kit is growing well and in great shape, but the tolerance of the mother is quite amazing. She makes no effort to snap at it, to stand on it, or to push it away, and considering it's a real wild animal, that to me seems a remarkable behaviour.